Cell organelles. What are cell organelles? Organelles are organized cell components present in the cytoplasm. Each organelle has a specific function to perform inside the cell. There are various types of organelles that perform different functions. These are as follows: nucleolus. The nucleolus is the largest nuclear organelle and is the primary site of ribosome subunit biogenesis in eukaryotic cells. Nucleus. A nucleus is the membrane-enclosed organelle within a cell that contains the chromosomes. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell, for example, growth and metabolism, and carries the genes, structures that contain the hereditary information. Ribosome. The ribosome is a complex molecule made of ribosomal RNA molecules and proteins that form a factory for protein synthesis in cells. Ribosomes are important because they are responsible for protein synthesis. Vesicles. Vesicles are tiny sacs that transport material within or outside the cell. There are several types of vesicle, including transport vesicles, secretory vesicles, and lysosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipids, phospholipids in plasma membranes, and steroids. Cells that secrete these products, such as cells of the testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, have an excess of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has on it ribosomes, which are small, round organelles whose function it is to make those proteins. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. Cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a structure that helps cells maintain their shape and internal organization, and it also provides mechanical support that enables cells to carry out essential functions like division and movement. The cytoskeleton can be broken down by the activation of endogenous enzymes, by certain ions, or by combinations of the two. Mitochondria. Mitochondria use aerobic respiration to generate most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate. It is known as the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria emerged from bacterial ancestors during endosymbiosis. Cytosol. The cytosol is the liquid medium contained within a cell. The cytosol is a component of the cytoplasm. The main component of cytosol is water. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles that can be found in both animals and plants. Vacuoles store nutrients and water on which a cell can rely for its survival. They also store the waste from the cell and prevents the cell from contamination. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. In plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Lysosomes. Lysosomes function as the digestive system of the cell, serving both to degrade material taken up from outside the cell and to digest obsolete components of the cell itself. Centrioles. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. Plastids. Plastids are double membrane organelles which are found in the cells of plants and algae. Plastids are responsible for manufacturing and storing of food. These often contain pigments that are used in photosynthesis and different types of pigments that can change the color of the cell. Different types of plastids are proplastids, chloroplasts, aeshoplasts, leucoplasts and derivatives, amyloplasts, elaioplast, proteinoplasts and chromoplasts. What are eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells have a nucleus enclosed within a nuclear envelope. A prokaryote is a single-celled organism that lacks a nucleus, and other membrane-bound organelles.